In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Outlook using a QR code. This is a quick and convenient way to connect your Outlook account to the Outlook mobile app without having to manually type in your sign-in details on your phone. If you already have Outlook open on your computer, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. To begin, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the menu options at the top. If you're already signed in on your desktop version, that's perfect, because this method is designed to help you connect your mobile device more easily from there. Once Outlook is open, look for the Help option in the top menu. Go ahead and click on Help. This section includes useful tools, guidance, and shortcuts for getting more out of Outlook, including options for setting up the mobile app. Inside the Help menu, click on Outlook Mobile. When you select this option, a QR code will appear on your screen. This code is there specifically to help you sign in or connect Outlook on your mobile device in a faster and more secure way. Now take your phone and get ready to scan the QR code. In most cases, you can use your phone's camera to scan it. Simply point the camera at the code and wait for your phone to recognize it. If your camera supports QR scanning, you should see a prompt appear on the screen. Tap that prompt to continue. If your phone doesn't scan the code automatically through the camera app, you may need to use a QR scanner or open the Outlook mobile app if it provides a built-in scanning option. Once the code is scanned, follow the sign-in prompts shown on your phone to complete the process. As you do this, make sure you're using your own secure device and that the QR code is being scanned directly from your Outlook window. That helps avoid confusion and keeps the sign-in process smooth. And that's it. Open Outlook, click Help, select Outlook Mobile, and then scan the QR code to sign in on your phone. It's a simple method that saves time and makes setting up Outlook on mobile much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.